Isera ria gicunje kia mbunge 11 ma rugongo rwa bururi-ini wa Somalia ritumite speaker wa mbunge Justin Muturi gutariria kuringana na watho ati no nginya mbunge akamenyithia wabici ya speaker riria arathi thabari cia nja wa bururi.
Must acknowledge that majority of members have always notified the speaker of their intended travels outside Kenya, whether in their public or private capacities.
Video iyo speaker Muturi ni irugamitie thabari cia ambunge aria maratanyaga kuthi mucemanio wa urumwe wa kibururi mucii wa New York, akiuga ni kumana na kwibuka gutambio kwa homa ya corona ambunge aria marabeto mbeca cia kumarugamirira ugendi-ini uyu makiorio maciecokie.
And the fact that they are trying to downgrade.
Atongoria ma kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri mbunge-ini ya Senate na ya kibururi nderetimbio ni ituthukite thutha wa minista wa ugima wa mwiri na aruna make thiini wa ministry ya ugitiri no kui kwaga gwikinyia niguo gutariria mibango ya thirikari igie kuhurana na homa ya corona.
What is so important, it is the health status of our people, and now we have this coronavirus which is threatening the whole world. How else would we show our commitment if it's not sitting here and assuring our Kenyans that we are safe or we are not safe?
For the ministries that are concerned, please adjourn everything else for the purposes of creating time to make sure Kenyans are safe.
Mawoni ngurani kana ni wega minista ya gutuma atongoria mangi mamarugamirire makabiubia ciongo ciao angi makiregana na angi magitikaniria giikaro giki igigitiririo nginya tarikinya.
At the end of the day, Mutahi Kagwe might not be here, but he has sent the answers that the public wants to hear. So let us put our egos down. Let us have these answers.
It is not the ego. No, Chair, we have to withdraw the word. Please, we have to withdraw the word. Ego for who? Who is ego?
I agree.
The ministers, and this matter should be reported to both the speakers of the two houses. We should consider it as misconduct on the part of the ministers.
Unless it is an emergency, that we have the people responsible, who are the cabinet secretaries, to come.
Otoyo okete ona thengia wa thirikari kwirira mwingi ati gukinyira riu ugutire mundu nyiteto ne murimu uyu. Ngeribotera Inoro TV njetago Masi wadia wa Murithi.
I request the members of the fourth estate to allow us to proceed.